Did you know that a single ounce of chia seeds packs about 11 grams of fiber? That's a significant amount for such a small serving. That's almost half of the recommended daily intake. Imagine getting so much fiber from just a tiny handful of seeds. These tiny seeds, originating from a flowering plant in the mint family, are packed with nutrients and offer a wide range of health benefits. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and essential minerals like calcium and magnesium. But there's a catch. Simply sprinkling them on top of your food might not be the most effective way to reap their full potential. To get the most out of chia seeds, it's important to prepare them properly. To truly unlock the nutritional power of chia seeds, we need to explore the best ways to incorporate them into our diet. Soaking them in water or milk can help release their nutrients, making them easier for our bodies to absorb. By understanding how these little nutritional powerhouses work, we can maximize their health benefits and enjoy a delicious boost to our overall well-being. Whether in smoothies, puddings, or sprinkled on top of your favorite dishes, chia seeds can be a versatile and nutritious addition to your diet. Chia seeds are like tiny sponges, capable of absorbing up to 10 times their weight in liquid. This remarkable ability makes them a versatile ingredient in various recipes. This unique characteristic is key to understanding how to best consume them. By soaking chia seeds, you unlock their full potential. When chia seeds absorb liquid, they develop a gel-like consistency. This transformation is fascinating to watch and even more beneficial to experience. This gel-like texture not only makes them more palatable, but also slows down the digestion process, allowing for better nutrient absorption. Slower digestion leads to a more gradual release of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing energy spikes and crashes. This steady energy release is ideal for maintaining balanced energy levels throughout the day. This, in turn, helps regulate blood sugar levels and keeps you feeling fuller for longer. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to enhance your overall health and well-being. Besides being an excellent source of fiber, chia seeds boast an impressive nutritional profile. They are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, protein, and essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Omega-3s are crucial for heart and brain health, while antioxidants protect your body from damage caused by free radicals. This combination of nutrients contributes to a wide range of health benefits, from improved digestion and weight management to reduced risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Section 4. Easy and delicious ways to enjoy chia seeds. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet is easier than you might think. These tiny seeds pack a powerful punch of nutrients and can be added to almost any meal. Their mild, slightly nutty flavor makes them incredibly versatile. You can use them in both sweet and savory dishes without overpowering the other flavors. One popular method is making chia seed pudding. This delicious treat is not only easy to prepare but also highly nutritious. Simply combine chia seeds with your choice of milk or yogurt, whether it's almond milk, coconut milk, or even regular dairy milk. Add some sweeteners like honey or maple syrup to enhance the flavor, and you can even add a dash of vanilla extract or cinnamon for extra taste. Let it sit in the refrigerator for a few hours or overnight. The seeds will absorb the liquid and expand, creating a pudding-like consistency. You can also sprinkle chia seeds on top of salads, yogurt, oatmeal, or even cereal for an extra nutritional boost. Adding them to smoothies not only thickens the texture, but also adds a dose of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Adding them to baked goods like muffins, bread, or even pancakes can enhance both the texture and the nutritional value. You can also incorporate chia seeds into homemade energy bars for a convenient and healthy snack option. The possibilities are endless. Section 5. The secret to maximizing chia seed benefits. While all these methods are great for incorporating chia seeds into your diet, there's one trick that can significantly enhance their nutritional impact. Remember how we talked about chia seeds' ability to absorb liquid and form a gel? What if we could use this characteristic to create a superfood boost for our meals? Ready for the secret? Stay tuned! The key to maximizing the benefits of chia seeds lies in activating them.